Hello everyone, today I will going to do unboxing of laptop stand. Laptop stand is very useful for a person who is using laptop many hours in a day. This is a very support system of your neck. This comes in a very standard packaging, that is cardboard packaging with poly wrap. You can see here that this is a plastic stand. It comes around 400 price. This stand also have a mobile stand. To open the mobile stand, and I have just taken the reference of cardboard, all the information is already written there. After that I had just opened it and try to fix the mobile stand. There you can fix that stand either the left side or the right side. There is a vertical line, you just put your stand on that block. After that it was fixed. Now I have placed my laptop here. Now you can see here that the laptop screen height is now taller than the previous. It is very useful for your neck. Thank you for watching it.